When it comes to finding the best suppliers for your online store, the right directory can make all the difference. SalesHoo versus Worldwide Brands, two of the most popular supplier directories, promise to help you find trustworthy suppliers. But which one really gives you the best results? I've tried both, and today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know to decide which one is worth your time and investment. Let's dive right into it. First off, SalesHoo offers a huge database of suppliers, over 8,000 of them. It's often praised for its easy-to-navigate interface and its ability to give users access to a variety of wholesale and dropshipping suppliers. However, while SalesHoo's directory is vast, some of the suppliers listed might not always be the most high-quality options out there. For instance, you might find some suppliers who are more focused on price than reliability, which could lead to issues down the road. Next thing to consider is Worldwide Brands, which boasts over 60 million products and claims to connect you to suppliers with a proven track record of quality and reliability. The directory includes a wide range of categories, from general merchandise to niche products. However, one of the major drawbacks is its higher cost. You're paying for lifetime access, which could be a hard pill to swallow for beginners or those on a tight budget. Still, you do get a vetted list of suppliers, but even then, some users complain about the lack of updates or newer suppliers. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. SalesHoo gets the edge here because of its streamlined interface, allowing you to quickly filter and find suppliers that suit your niche. However, Worldwide Brands isn't as user-friendly. The search function can be a bit cumbersome, and the overall interface feels outdated, making it a little more difficult to navigate compared to SalesHoo's more modern design. Another factor to consider is the level of support you get. SalesHoo offers 24/7 customer support, which is a massive plus if you run into any issues with finding suppliers or have questions about the platform. Worldwide Brands, on the other hand, isn't as accessible, and many users have reported longer response times from their support team. If you need help fast, SalesHoo is definitely more reliable in this regard. Fourth thing, the pricing. SalesHoo offers a more affordable plan at $67 per year, making it a great choice for those who are just getting started. Worldwide Brands is much more expensive, with a one-time fee of $299. While you do get lifetime access with Worldwide Brands, that initial investment can feel steep for newcomers. Next, let's talk about product sourcing. SalesHoo shines here with its additional resources, like its community forum and tools that help you find trending products. Worldwide Brands, however, focuses primarily on the supplier directory itself and lacks some of the extra features that might help you scale your business quickly. While the product range is vast, it doesn't always come with the same level of in-depth resources. So, which one is better overall? Both SalesHoo and Worldwide Brands have their strengths, but after testing both myself, I've got to say that while they're decent platforms, there's a better alternative out there for finding reliable, high-quality suppliers. If you're serious about growing your business and want a platform that gives you better value for your money, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for a special offer. These supplier directories are good, but with my recommendation, you'll get access to exclusive benefits and a free trial that's not available anywhere else. Don't miss out. Click the first link below and get started today.